Hello guys and welcome to a new video. Today we are actually not making a video about the Mustang. Today it is about the Stinger. I bought something new. No, that's not new. I bought something used new. New to me, I guess. We are installing the Velossatech RAM Air Lit Kit thing. You will see it once we're done, I guess. And if you looked up this video, you probably know what we're talking about. So yeah, this is actually not too complicated installation, especially because I bought it used, meaning all the cables are already connected to where they are supposed to be connected. I'm just getting some tools right now, that's why it's like super dark. So we're gonna see if we can do all this installation with just tools that you have in a small toolbox, you know, everyday toolbox. Because pretty much what we have to do is take off the front bumper of the Kia. So that's the two scoops, light up scoops, which apparently they also do some performance, I guess. What he was telling me, like he actually felt a difference. So we will see that. I'm not so sure about that, but I guess I will see if there's a difference or not. And then we got the whole box with all the things in it. So the last thing you saw me do on this car, because you know this channel is mainly focused on this car, but today we're making something on this car. So the last thing you saw me do on this car were the intakes, the two HPS cold air intakes. I also did like a little mod for the blow-off valves, so it is a little louder. Doesn't really do anything for performance. It's not bad, it's not good, it's just there. Since then I put on those claws with some reflective tape, and these lips, I built those myself. The same with the side splitters, those are built by me. And we finally got wheels. Took like 3 months for the wheels to come. Everything is blacked out, the Kia emblem is blacked out, the mirrors are black wrapped. Pretty much everything is black now. Yeah, so I guess we get started on taking this front bumper off, which is not too complicated. All you need is a screwdriver and a 10mm. Okay, we got one 10mm on each side in the wheel well. I don't know if I can show you that. No, because the sun is like, it's right here. Right here. There's a 10mm right here, and then we have tabs 1, 2, and 3. Same thing on the other side. And then we have, this needs to pop off. I think this is just clipped in. Yes, this is just clipped in, so this is coming off easy. These tabs, these, and this. Then we have a 10mm screw under here. We have some tabs on the bottom, and then this whole front bumper comes off. So it's actually a pretty easy process. Yeah, let's get it started. First of all, I need to start the car because I need to steer the wheel. So the wheels are gonna be, you know what I mean. So you get a nice cold start now too. So yeah, another thing I didn't even talk about is exhaust. I got the mufflers and the resonators cut out. At some point I will probably have like an electric valve controlled exhaust. I'm still deciding which one I actually want because there's so many different options. Good, so we got the wheel spun now. So maybe I can show you this now. Yeah, there it is, right there. That's the 10mm that we have to take off. So we do that real quick. There you go, number 1 off. Keep this in a safe place. And then we need a flathead screwdriver to pop these. These are super easy to pop out, so pretty much all it is. This is when it's installed, and all you gotta do is put your flathead in here, and then they clip out. So we got a bunch of these. After we got all those, we gotta go to the top. Now we gotta take off all these tabs, and this is just popped in, so okay, we might have to take these off first. So we take these off first. Good. Then we have clips on the bottom of the car. We have where they at? There's 1, there's 2, which I already lost. There's 3, and then there's 4, which I hope I can get to without removing the stupid flaps that I put on. or lip or whatever you want to call this. So let's see if I can get those off real quick. Okay, now we have 2 screws. So we have right in here, but there's a screw, oh, there you can see it right here, this screw, and we have the same thing on the other side right in here. You have to take those off too. If I am not mistaken and I don't forget anything, this should be it screw wise and clips wise. So all we gotta do now is pull on the sides and the bumper should come off. Of course, this is easier to do when you have 2 people, but I don't have 2 people right now, so there's gonna be wires in here. There should just be 1 clip. Yes, there's only 1 clip. Right in here, this cable. This cable. All you gotta do is flip this back. This thing is just I need 2 hands for this. But you pretty much just have to bend this way. So it's like a, yeah, I don't know how to say it. That's okay. Okay. So yeah, front bumper is off. So here's the clip again. Now I can show you in close. Actually no, because it's on the other side. But this is the only clip you have to take off. You don't have to bark at the front bumper, dog. Yeah, it's okay. It's not a living thing. So you have this, which moves like this, and this is how it clips into the wire. That's it. Cool. So now we have to take this off, this whole thing, and then we can get back to the installing part. You're gonna reuse this rubber thing comes off, and you're gonna put it back onto the scoopy poop. There we go. So to take this off, some people are gonna cut into this. Just take it off, that way you can always put it back to original at some point when you want to sell this car. So we're just gonna take the screws off. I took one out already. Here is on this side, and there's one on the other side, same spot of course. And then this thing comes off. Now you have to, there's wires down here. We have these wires, one clipped onto the plastic piece that we're trying to remove, is clipped on here, there, and I think somewhere else. So pretty much you just have to take those clips out. I hope I can just pull on them. They look like just regular pull clip tabs things. So let's see how we get those off. There we go. Good, got that thing off. So like I just said, these rubber things, they just come off. There you go, there's one. I'm gonna do the other one. And then on this, we just have to put it back in. Clip it in the same way it came off. And then we got this. This is the right side. I don't even know if it tells you that on this thing. No. But this is the right side. So this goes right here. This is if you want to use different kind of LEDs. I mean, it's pretty much a Diode Dynamics Bluetooth Rgb controller that has 4 connectors to it. You're only gonna use 2 of them because you only have the 2 LEDs. So you could add 2 more engine bay or front LED LED strips, which I'm gonna probably do a front LED strip right above the intercooler at some point. But yeah, you can add 2 more. It's 4 in total. But it's pretty much self-explanatory if you have the kit without all the wiring up. Yeah, now we just have to put the bumper back on. That's actually it. I mean, I guess we can plug it in first and see if it all works. So let's go up in here. Good, so I asked the guy I bought it from which fuse he used. He went right here. Can you see this? Probably not. No, you cannot see this. Here's a closer picture. He went to this one. It's the 3rd one. on this right here. Went to the third one. That's where we're gonna plug in the fuse. Now if you get this kit new, you're gonna have all these cables that you have to connect together. Overall it's the same thing though. So plug it in right here. And oh, it's already lit. You cannot see that because it is. There you go. It's a little bright out here, but it is working. So that's good. Kind of hard to see. So let me get this buttoned up. I don't have a lot of battery left. Storage. 14 minutes of storage. So this is pretty much done. I got it all wired up. The wires are pretty much hidden. This is all zip tied. So now we can put the front bumper back on, and then we are pretty much done. Everything is back together in one piece. Also, don't forget to plug in your front bumper back into the cord. I forgot, but luckily you can go around here and plug it back in right between the tire and the wheel well, like in there. You can bend this away and then you can plug that back in. So yeah, this is the pieces you get left with, is this one, and this thing. So I'm gonna have this laying in my shed like all the other pieces that I have for this car. It's always good to keep your originals, so when you want to return this car back to stock, it's easy to do. So yeah, pretty much this is it. It's kind of bright out, so I gotta see how I can show you this, but pretty much you have this diode dynamics app right here. Yeah, you can see me fantastic. And then you got, for me it's already in here, stinger. That's pretty much it. That way you click on it and then you hit this in the middle and they turn on, which off, on, off, on. And you can turn it to, I don't know, any kind of color. Oh yeah, you can actually see that. Green, red, purple, blue, green, red, purple, blue. Yeah, and this is how you do it. You change it right here. There is also custom, you can do a custom fade, custom mode. I don't know if it's a custom fade, but custom mode. You can do a 7-color crossfade, which that pretty much does this. Pretty much any color. Let me change it to 100 speed. There you go. Now you can see it easier. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. You can use a different fuse. I don't know which fuse it would be to when your car turns on, those turn on. For me it is, they're always on. So I would have to remember to turn it off right up here. Boom. They're off. It's that simple. Turn it on. Boom. And they keep going. It's a pretty fast process. I like it. Installation wasn't too bad, and apparently yeah, the scoops itself are supposed to do something too. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope you guys like this video. I don't know where I'm looking at now because I don't have my display folded up. Give it a thumbs up, share it. Why would you share it? I don't know. But yeah, this was some stinger content because the sun is right there. Why would I do this? Some stinger content. So I guess we will see us the next time, either with this car or this car. Until then, bye bye.